I've had a bit of a problem in this bathroom today. I had a leak under the sink, so my husband fixed the leak, but what I discovered was that it did kind of ruin the contact paper I had underneath, plus the basket that I had some things in started to rust out from the bottom. So I thought this would be a good time to clear everything out from underneath the sink and then put in new contact paper and also replace the divider because it also has some water damage. So in this video, I'm going to do a bathroom reset. I'm going to go ahead and give everything a good cleaning, get the shower stall washed down, all of that, and then I will do some decluttering and organizing under the bathroom sink. So let's get it started. This video is brought to you by Aprondiva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com. So the sink was leaking right here. For whatever reason, water was running up behind the sink and then leaking down underneath. And so that contact paper underneath is in pretty bad condition. So we'll get everything out and then I'll pull that contact paper up and then I'll replace that with new contact paper. Now, as far as a divider, my husband is the one that took care of that before. He's not here right now, so I'm going to attempt to do this myself and we'll see how it turns out. If I totally mess it up, well then he'll just fix it for me when he gets home. And I'll just get everything out. That just makes it a lot easier to do a reset. I'll throw this in the wash with the shower liner. I've been pampering myself and I've been taking quite a few baths, and I've been using this sugar scrub, which has got an oil base to it, so it leaves quite a residue in the tub. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it down with a little bit of my vinegar, Dawn, and water solution so it can be doing its thing while I'm cleaning up some other areas. I know I shouldn't be up here, but he's not home and I want to get this done. So I will be extremely careful. Now, I've had this shower curtain for a good 10 or 12 years and I found no need to change it. It kind of coordinates with everything here in the bathroom. The shower liner I have changed out, but I've probably had this one a good 5 years. But what I will do is about every few months I'll throw it in the wash, and so that's what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to throw this and the bath mat in the wash while I clean the bathroom. By the time it comes out, I'll be done in here and I can put it back up. I like to spray the bottom of this. It just kind of helps prevent mold and mildew from accumulating. So, and I'll put in a True Earth Eco Strip. And considering that I've already sprayed some Dawn dishwashing liquid with a little bit of vinegar and water on there, I'm just going to use a half a strip because I don't want to have way too much detergent in here. This is probably a good time to say that this video is part of the June Mega Motivation Collaboration hosted by myself, This and That with Denise Jordan. Or shall I say hosted by me, This and That with Denise Jordan. And the assignment for June was bathrooms or linen closets. So I'm showing you my decluttering and cleaning of my bathroom, like a total bathroom reset. And then I'll show you what I've already done with my linen closet, just in case you need some ideas. I have invited a number of other YouTube creators to join me in this collaboration, so be sure to check them out. I will put a link in the description box below. I tell you what, my husband installing this handheld shower was a game changer. And the whole idea behind spraying the tub surround down while I was cleaning other areas was to let the cleaning solution do the work. All the oil and the grease from those body scrubs that I've been using is just wiping right off with this Dawn and vinegar and water cleaner. And then I'll wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. There, all done with that. One of the reasons why I really enjoy using it is because I can put my own floor cleaner here in the bottle, and then the little mop pads, you just take them off once you're done and throw them in the wash. So they're not disposable, they're reusable. So that just helps me save a little bit of cash. Now this bathroom's been completely cleaned, so I need to finish up the reset. I've got a few of the things out on the counter that normally belongs there, but I've got to get the other things out, and then I've got to get to underneath that bathroom sink. So now you can see even better what it looks like, and then here's where I have some things over here on the side that also need some attention. So I've definitely got some decluttering to do. And then this was the cover that covered the elbow joint, but you can see here where it's had water damage, so I'll need to replace that. Down here on this lower level, there's a drawer here that I'll need to go through, and then there's a drawer here that I'll need to go through. I picked up these drawers at Lowe's, and I'm sure they still have those, but my husband built this platform, and he found the information on how to do it on YouTube. I will try to find that video if I can, but I can't promise anything. We'll see. So that's what it looks like now without that nasty contact paper. So I'll clean that up a little bit, and then I'll replace the contact paper. I'm going to use these Viva cloth-like paper towels because since it is a little rusty in there, I don't want to get this on any of my cleaning rags that I wash and like to retain. Well, I've got the new contact paper put down in here. It's so much brighter in here, which is why I put the contact paper in there in the first place. Now this is a piece that goes around the elbow joint. And actually, it doesn't look too bad. It's just the outside that has the water damage. So I think what I'll do is I'll just reapply contact paper out here, and then I'll be able to go ahead and use it as it is. So I'll do that. And truth be told, I am terrible at DIY. So this way, I just put a little contact paper over the top, and if this whole piece needs to be redone, I'll get the hubby to do it. So I've got the piece that covers the elbow joint recovered, and I'm going to just slip it in and set it up. So now I've got two areas, one on each side of the cabinet that I can fill with things. Now I'll go through this box of goodies and see what's staying and see what I'm decluttering. For some reason, I like to keep the boxes of products that I buy, but I don't need to do that, so. I have some of the cutest little Longaberger baskets. They're nice and small, but I'm not real sure how useful they are right now. We'll see. So instead of using the wire basket, which rusted previously, I'm going to use this little container that I already had. These are things that I reach for, not every day, but I do reach for them. So they're going to go in this, and I'll put it towards the back. I'm pretty pleased with the way this cabinet turned out. I've got the things that I use and reach for on a day-to-day basis right up front where I can get at them, and then things that I don't use as often a little bit further to the back. Now these drawers down here I did not get to. They will be on for another day. But I'm pretty pleased with the way things turned out. And I got rid of quite a few things. I decided to pitch this body wash and this lotion, this coconut oil, because I really don't like the way it smells. So I thought, why am I keeping it? So out it went. And then I've got a whole bunch of other stuff in here that I just didn't need to keep. Now let me show you what I've done with my linen closet. It's very minimal, but it's working for me. It used to always be at 6s and 7s because I had way too much stuff in here. So I did a good job of decluttering it. So let me show you what I've got. First of all, I've got my cleaning caddy up here and I keep it right here. This is the one that I use on this floor. And then right next to the cleaning caddy, I've got 2 extra bottles of mouthwash like this. And then I've got an extra bottle of body wash and an extra bottle of toilet bowl cleaner. And that's all I've got right there. I do have extra supplies of those things, but I keep them somewhere else. I have just enough in here for what I need. And then when I need to refill it, I can do that. And then right over here in the corner, I've got a little basket that I keep 4 rolls of toilet tissue, which is enough for both the bathrooms upstairs. I'll put 4 here in the hall, then I've got 2 in the other bathroom. So that's what's on that shelf. On this shelf right here, I have a set of towels and then a set of hand towels. I've got a set of 6 towels like this. There's 1 in the bathroom that I freshly put out, 1 in the wash, and then 4 clean ones here. Over here, I've got a set of hand towels that complement these towels and then the other towels that we use. On this next shelf down, I have baskets with the washcloths in them. So these are washcloths that complement all the towels that I have here in this cabinet. And then sometimes I'll use those for cleaning, or again, they're washcloths. So they're there. Another set of 4 chocolate brown towels there. On this shelf here, I have a roll of baskets in which I keep my sets of sheets. So there are 3 sets of sheets in here. I've got a set on my bed and there's a set on the guest bed. So the extra linens are in here, and the sheets, the pillowcases, everything for that set is in that basket. So everything's right there. And then down here on the bottom, I've got a basket with soft blankets, extra bath mats, and then under here will be things like beach towels and other softy blankets and things like that. Things that I can get to when I need it. So this linen closet is neatly organized, but it's also minimally organized. So the last thing I need to do is to replace the shower curtain and the shower liner, and this bathroom has been reset. For more bathroom and linen closet inspiration, be sure to click on the link in the description box. You will want to see some of the other ideas that the other creators have for you. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out more of my homemaking stories, and I will see you next time.